If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing League of Legends, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider upgrading your internet plan or switching to a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or processing power. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and file sharing programs. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your computer. This can help improve performance and reduce lag. You can also enable the low-spec mode in the game settings for better performance on lower-end machines. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Change your network settings to prioritize gaming traffic. You can do this by configuring Quality of Service (QoS) settings on your router, which allows you to prioritize League of Legends traffic over other types of data. Step 5. Update drivers and game client. Make sure your graphics card drivers and the League of Legends client are up to date. Developers often release updates that can improve performance and fix bugs. Regularly check for updates to ensure you have the latest versions. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in League of Legends. Happy gaming!